how to manage user notification on monday.com. So, hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you a way of managing your notification here if you're using monday.com. So, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com. Once when you log in, you will be redirected here to the home page, and you can see the boards that I'm working on here, and there are some boards here as well. Now, the beauty of monday.com is that you can manage your notifications and customize it the way you want. If you don't like some notification pop ups, you can turn them off. If you like some, you can turn them on. That's completely up to you. Monday.com gives you all the, I would say, hierarchy and the authority in order to do anything you want with the notification. So, let's just get back to the video. So, you have to click here on this icon, and then you have to go here to administration. Once when you're here, you have to go to customization, and then you have to go here. Customization is something that you can customize of your profile on monday.com, like the logo, the email header, the boards. Even you can customize board status labels as well. And now you have to click here on user notification. Here you'll see that the way of getting a notification through monday.com is the email. You can click here, and then you can customize all these options according to your will. Everything will be checked here, so you can uncheck some that you don't want. For example, you'll get a notification when somebody assigns you to an item, mentions you in a post or reply, writes an update on an item you're the owner of, write an update on an item you're subscribed to, replies to a conversation you're part of, replies to your update, sign up after you have invited them, do not sign up after you have invited them. I mean, it's so detailed, you can see it yourself. Sign up with an email address from your account domain, subscribe to a board. Okay, when somebody subscribe you to a board item, then as well notifies you via automation, request access to a private board or dashboard, and subscribe to a new item that you didn't write an update on yet. Daily emails. So you can see that there are many customization ways that you can customize according to your will. So you have to check and uncheck them some right here. You can uncheck them all. If you don't want any kind of notification from monday.com, you can just click on these, and uh, here you go. You can just click on all of these and you'll be good to go. And you can just go back to your profile and act as nothing has happened, and you won't get any single piece of notification if you want that to happen. So, yeah, that's how you do it. So, I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.